What's going on YouTube? Jason here. Today we will be looking at a watch by Seagull. Alright, this is the 51 reissue, or as they say in Mandarin, 5This was a model that was launched to celebrate Labor Day in mainland China. The fifth month, the first day of the fifth month, Wu and Yi. Alright. So this was not produced in 1951, just to be clear. Some background about Seagull watches. Alright, Seagull watches are produced by the Tianjin Watch Factory, right? Tianjin Watch Factory. And the Seagull movement, I believe, is one of the main movements used in the world. 30% of all movements in the market are supplied by Seagull or the Tianjin Watch Factory. In terms of specification, we are looking at essentially a dress watch, rose gold, PVD rose gold notwithstanding. We have got very good dimensions. Let me get the watch in focus. We are looking at a case diameter of 36.8 mm, lug to lug 43.4, and 10.8 mm thickness inclusive of the sapphire crystal. You can see here there is the sign crown. On the case back we see the logo 5 and 1 water resistant up to 30 meters. The watch houses an ST 2130 movement that beats 28,800 beats per hour. I have to say that the movement has been performing very well. I did put it through the accuracy app, and I got +1 second per day, as well as a beat error of 0.1. Alright, 0.1, is it millisecond? 0.1 millisecond. Okay, so this is even more impressive than the PT 5000 movement. However, I've mentioned in an earlier video, the winding is very stiff. Alright, let's just listen to it for a while. Alright, I have to say the resistance to the wind is the highest I've experienced, followed by the PT 5000 found in the Saint Martin, and then the NH movements and the Miyota movements by Seiko and Citizen. They are really easy to wind. You don't get as much resistance. Okay, so pros and cons of the watch after wearing this watch over a course of 1 month, 1 or 2 months, several days. I would say that the color really is not for me. I don't think it matches my skin tone. I wish the color wasn't as rose goldish compared to what I saw on the website. That's one negative. The second negative is that there is no second negative. I would say maybe the winding of the crown, but because this is an automatic, you don't really have to wind it so much. Alright, so the pros, I would say that you are getting a good watch in terms of movement. In terms of design, it is very clean and it's very focused. It has got a history. And I would say that I would recommend this watch to someone who likes or might be interested in Chinese watches and doesn't want just the Seagull 1963 chronograph. I think I paid under 300 Singapore dollars for this watch. Right? I could be wrong. I paid under 300 Singapore dollars for this watch because of various discounts available. Okay, so this, I won't say it's very pricey. One for someone who collects a watch, someone who matches the skin tone, but unfortunately is not really for me. Alright, so let me know your thoughts on this review. If you have got any other questions, just post them below in the comment section. Cheers.